for our lecturer. Guys, listen, there's a new task for our lecturer.
What is this?
The doctor asked us to find some elements of geometry in this video, and we have to discuss it in the group of 5. But it is 4 of us.
How about Haziq?
Agree.
Yeah.
Let me call him. He's not picking up.
Try text him. Guys, while waiting for him, how about we discuss first?
Sure. Alright, let's go.
Al-Musaddin Mosque is located at the Sultan Idris Education University, UPSI, Sultan Azman Shah campus in Tanjung Maling. It began in May 2008 and was completed on 2012 for a total cost of 10.4 million ringgit. It was inaugurated by Tuli Yang Maha Mulia Sultan Perak Sultan Nazrin Muizzuddin Shah on 20th June of 2017 after His Majesty planted a tree at the mosque grounds. This mosque is decorated with full of Islamic arts. In addition, the space of this mosque is filled with reflection of light that illuminate every corner in this mosque.
Guys, I think there is square, which is one of geometry element.
Yeah, that's right. What is square?
Square is a plane figures with 4 congruent sides and 4 right angles, like plane of Kaabah. So we can see square have 4 right angles like rectangle and congruent sides like rhombus. Do you know each diagonal are congruent and perpendicular bisector of each other, and each diagonals also bisect vertex angle.
By the way, square are both rectangle and rhombus, right?
Brilliant.
Hey guys, I noticed a circle on the dome of the mosque.
Circle? Where is it?
There.
A circle is the set of all points in a plane that are at the same distance from a fixed point called the center. Circle contains radius, diameter, central angle, arc, chord, and many more. Let's go through one by one. The distance across a circle through the center is called the diameter, and the distance from the center of a circle to any point on the boundary is called the radius. Thus, the radius is half of the diameter. The arc of a circle is defined as the part or segment of the circumference of a circle. A straight line that could be drawn by connecting the two ends of the arc is known as a chord of a circle. Next, an angle formed by two radii is known as a central angle. For your information, circle is an important shape in Islam as it symbolizes wholeness, unity and perfections. How the circle symbolizes them is by not have any corners or sides. Thus, a circle is a complete unit on its own. Nothing further can be added to make the circle complete. It's why circles are symbols of wholeness, completeness, perfection and balance.
Guys, where's Haziq?
I think he's late.
Sorry guys, I'm here. Sorry to be late.
It's okay, Haziq. Come here.
charity box at the mosque look like a keyboard?
I think that's true.
Guys, there is rectangular solid. That charity box is rectangular solid, which is a prism bounded by 6 rectangles. If we measure the length, width and the height of the charity box, we could find the surface area and the volume of the charity box.
Do you guys notice? This is the parallel line.
Which one?
Here it seems the parallel line are straight and do not intersect.
And the prayer mat can be is traversal, right?
Yes, I think it is.
Parallel lines are straight lines that share a plane and do not cross no matter how far apart they are. Traversal is a line that crosses two or more lines. There are 3 types of parallel angles. First, corresponding angle of 2 lines cut by a transversal are known as angles on the same side of the transversal as well as the same side of the lines. Second, alternate interior angles of 2 lines cut by transversal are known adjacent angles between 2 lines and on opposing side of the transversal. The last one is interior angles on the same side of the transversal are easily spotted by observing the capital U produced by the side of a parallel lines when a transversal cut them. Parallel lines on prayer rocks are one of the ways to appreciate the importance of parallel lines and transversal in our real life setting. Muslims all throughout the globe do salah on prayer rocks. The prayer mat helps to facilitate specific postures, movements and attitude appropriate for the purpose of prayer, to create an important ritual atmosphere during the prayer.
Guys, do you see what I see? What? The locus between 2 points, which is the 2 fan. And also, the furthermost point, which by the fan, is the locus.
The 2 points are at the 2 centers of the fan, and the pole in the middle is the locus of points, equidistant for the 2 centers of the fan. Other than that, we can also determine the locus of the farthest point, where people can sit to feel the wind from the fan, which is a circle with a radius of approximately 5.4 to 6.2 meter.
This video not ending yet. There is one element here, which is congruent triangle. Congruent triangle can be proven by 3 principles. First, if 2 sides and the included angle of a triangle are congruent to the corresponding parts of another. Second, if 2 angles and the included side of a triangle are congruent to the corresponding part of another. And third, if 3 sides of a triangle are congruent with 3 sides of another. If either of these 3 principles is proven, then the triangle are congruent.